So if anyone receives this, just know, apologies. Me and tiny boxes do not get along. Hi everyone, I'm WIGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you receive in a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I kind of spoiled myself. This mystery box costs, are you ready? $164. I know, she's pricey. But you're guaranteed over $300 worth of products. And because I'm a sucker, if you spent like $185, I forget the exact amount, not only did you get like free shipping, and you would think at $164 you would already get free shipping, but you got like a free item. And so I made an additional purchase, and I want to say there was like a foundation involved. Anyways, I can't remember. You know, my memory, not so good. But we're going to dive in, look at the mystery box, see what additional items I got, and yeah. So comment number one, what is up with Mr. UPS, FedEx, regular, what is up with the delivery? Look at this box, looks like somebody kicked it across the room. It is a large box, but surprisingly feels, I don't want to say it feels light, but it doesn't feel as heavy as one might expect a box of that size to feel. Alright, I'm rambling. Let me get my knife. We will dig in and see what I got. Alright, well that was quite a large outer box. What was inside there was this here, which is the mystery box, and one other product. That was it. No wonder that box got dented, because it was rather large and there was some paper stuffing, but not so much. Alright, well the first mystery we need to solve is I'm looking at the invoice here, and I ordered 3 additional products and only one came outside this mystery box. Plus they sent me, or claimed to send me, 2 samples, which I'm not seeing. So maybe they stuck them in this mystery box? Don't make me contact customer support twice in one day. I had issues with a product in my FabFitFun. Alright, well, let's get into this box, and maybe they stuck it in here for some reason. First off, this packaging, this box is lovely, and I'm going to hang on to it. If I can figure out how to, lift the lid. My goodness. Okay, so some things fell out. Okay, yes, they put some other things in here. Yeah, I hate calling or sending an email to customer support. So let's start off with the free samples. So I got the WONDERGLOW Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer, and it's just a little foil pack. The other free sample, of course, you know me, I had to go for the Magic Eye Rescue eye cream, which helps to brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Again, it's just a little foil pack. But hey, free samples. Who doesn't love a free sample? So the other 3 remaining products I picked up in addition to the mystery box. So this product here is the AIRBRUSH Flawless Foundation. It says it stays all day and night. And I believe this was free with the amount of money I spent. Let's pray I selected online a good shade match. Her packaging is beautiful. I mean, her prices are pricey. It's bougie shishi, But have you ever gotten a bougie shishi brand that didn't have the packaging to match? This is frosted glass, and you have this nice rose gold lid, and it comes with a pump. All right, fingers crossed. All right, so it is a little runny, and I think that will be good. All right, I will make it work. Let me know down below, have you tried this foundation before? Am I gonna like it? I will definitely do a first impression try on video in the near future. What else did I get? All right, so this product here is the Lip Lustre, which I believe is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Blonde. Ooh, pretty. That is a beautiful kind of peachy pink, very shimmery. Oh, it has a sweet scent, maybe vanilla cake, sugary goodness. Let's throw it on top of the 15 other lip products and see what she looks like. Yes! I love a good nude gloss or any kind of nude lip product. All right, and the last item I picked up is another lip product. It's the Superstar Lips Glossy Star Lip. It's a lip gloss as well. This is in the shade Walk of Shame. Okay, the packaging is very different. Let's take a look. Oh, it's not a what I would call a gloss. It's more like a lip balm or lipstick form, and the shade is really dark compared to why did I order this? So I'm gonna set this aside for a future giveaway. I just want full disclosure, I butchered the box when I opened it, but I have not swatched this, so if anyone receives this, just know, apologies. Me and tiny boxes do not get along. Okay, enough about the items I spent in order to get, I think I spent a little more to get this for free. All right, let's dive in and see what a $164 mystery box gets you. All right, there are plenty of items in here. So the first one is this guy here, which is Brightening Youth Glow. It's a brightening, color correcting glow primer. Ooh. Look at this packaging. All right, let's see. Okay, it's not safety sealed. Let's give it a little test on the back of my hand. That is what it looks like. Did it add a glow? Oh, it does have a scent. Kind of slightly floral, not obnoxious. All right, yes. On to the next item. What is this? We have the Charlotte's Magic Cream. Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. I hope there's more makeup in here, but I love skincare. And I think this is a really pricey, bougie moisturizer. Oh, I was struggling to get the box out. Interesting packaging. You open from both sides, and then it comes off like that. Wow. Oh, okay, and then it just... Ooh. Look how fancy. That would look lovely on your counter with the rest of your perfumes and other shishi makeup and skincare items. Wow. Charlotte. This is acrylic, not glass, though. Oh, wow. That is quite a thicker cream. Has a very similar scent to the primer. Yes, this is very thick. Oh, but once it hits your skin, it just melds in nicely. Yes. Okay, I'm going to be looking 34 any day now with all of these fancy she skincare products. All right, what else did I get? Holy cow. What is this? It is huge. This is the Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter. Oh my goodness. This will last you 50 years. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that packaging? I don't know why. This reminds me of like back in the 40s where women would have compacts, and it's not a powder, but it reminds me of that. Wow. Oh my goodness. So it does come with a mirror. And look at that. I hope that's not too dark for me. I'm going to swatch this bad boy, and I will find a way to use it. So it's right here. It is kind of a peachy, darker shade than I normally would reach for a highlighter, but I think I can make it work. All right. What else is in this magical mystery box? What is this? We have a collagen lip bath, which is a collagen enhanced lip plumping effect. Ooh. All right, well, you know me. I already got 18 lip products on. What's one more? Ooh, this is quite large. It does have a color. I'm going to swatch it first, and then we'll see if it's the kind that tingles. Oh, interesting applicator. It's kind of heart-shaped, and it struggled a little to get it out of the bottle there. Oh, it does have it has a salmon peachy kind of color. All right. Doesn't seem to have a scent. No? Okay. It has more of a color payoff than the lip gloss did. It's a little thicker. The doe foot was interesting. I wasn't a fan of the shape. And I don't want to say it's sticky, but it is thick. So not quite as slippy as the lip gloss. I don't feel any tingling, but it could be because I have 18 other products on my lips. But it's lovely. All right. What else came in this mystery box? What is this? We have a hyaluronic plus HAPPIKISS color balm. Ooh, another lip product. All right, it's also kind of in a what I call like a pumpkin spice. This, I don't know. Let's take a look. I'm not one for super spicy, orangey, undertoned, but maybe the coloring on the outside is different. Wow, this packaging is different than every other lip product. We got a black with some gold. All right. Okay, it's also, oh, okay, so it clicks, and yes, this is too dark for me, my personal taste, so I'm going to put it back into the packaging, which luckily did not get destroyed, and I'm going to set this aside for a future giveaway. The shade, by the way, is called Romance Kiss. All right, next item. What is this? All right, so we have Legendary Lashes Volume 2. Oh, are you a mascara? Please be waterproof. I doubt it. Yeah, it's not waterproof, and that's just a personal preference. I have extremely watery eyes, so I only wear waterproof mascara. So this as well will be set aside for a future giveaway. All right, on to the last item. Ooh, I hope this is an eyeshadow palette. What are you? It's the Luxury palette, which is color-coded eyeshadows. Ooh, what is this color story? This is called Walk of No Shame, whereas I think one of the other products was Walk of Shame. Something recently was that. Alright, so this is the standard Charlotte Tilbury packaging. I do own one of her quads like this, and if I recall, it's like $54. Ooh, okay, this is a color story I can use and wear. Let's do some swatches. Alright, so I am so fair. Hopefully you'll see the shimmer. So there's 2 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades. So we have the extra light one, slightly darker one there, and then these 2 kind of orangey, not orangey, warm loveliness. I'll just leave it at that. Alright, so what are your thoughts? Let's recap everything that came in this $164 mystery box. And keep in mind, Charlotte Tilbury MSRP is pretty pricey. So we got the No Walk of Shame 4-pan eyeshadow palette, a mascara, a color lip balm, a collagen lip plumper, the world's largest highlighter, the famous Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and the Brightening Youth Glow Primer. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total value, and let's see what we got for $164. I also made some additional purchases. I got a lip gloss and a colored lip balm in order to qualify for a free foundation. Charlotte also tossed in 2 samples, and I got to select which samples I wanted. What are your thoughts? Would you be willing to spend over $200 for all of these Charlotte Tilbury products? It is a little pricey, but Charlotte is a known brand. She's a little shishi bougie, but I'm excited to have these products. Let me know down below if you'd like to see me do a try-on and all-one Charlotte Tilbury look. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so that you can be notified of future videos. And if you were to be so kind as to click the thumbs up like button, it would mean the world to me. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.